to create a visualization within Tableau, you will often need to connect to an outside data source. In this movie, I will show you how to connect to an Excel workbook, but the skills you learn here will apply to other data sources as well. I have run Tableau, and I'm at the Start screen. To create a connection to a data source, I can go over to the Connect panel here on the left side of the screen, and I can go to Tableau Server if I want, Excel, a text file, a JSON file, and so on. Below that, of course, there are server connections, so Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and so on. In this case, I'm going to connect to an Excel workbook. So I will go up to Microsoft Excel, click there, and then in the Chapter 2 folder of the exercise files collection, I will double-click TTOO data, and that is an Excel file, and the name of it stands for Two Trees Olive Oil Data, which is the fictitious company we're using in our scenario. So I'll double-click there, and Tableau creates the connection. You can see that I have Sheet 1, which is the worksheet that contains the data, and the data is summarized below. Now that I have the data in Tableau, I can go to Sheet 1, and getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, I'll go ahead and create a quick visualization. So let's say that I want to break down sales by employee job title, so I'll drop that to the rows area, and then order total, which is the value of the orders, to the data area, and I'll change from a text table by going to Show Me, clicking Tree Map, click Show Me again to hide that task pane, and you can see here that we have sales broken down by value based on job title. Connecting to a file on your local computer is fairly straightforward. All you need to do is select the type of file you want to connect to and identify it on your system. If you need to connect to Microsoft SQL Server or another database program, it's possible that you might need to enter credentials such as a username or a password. One of the fundamental principles